Hi, everybody. This is Maxine Taylor, America's first licensed astrologer with practical astrology. You know, astrology for so many years has been misinterpreted, misunderstood, misrepresented. It is the most fabulous tool to help you navigate difficult times, and that's what this show is about. How to navigate difficult times using astrology. Why not? Today, we're going to talk about one of my favorite signs, Cancer. Now, I refer to Cancerians very often as the moon child because Cancer is ruled by the moon, which is very, very sensitive. Very intuitive. You cannot be sensitive emotionally without being sensitive psychically. And Cancerians are psychic sponges. You know that when you go to the mall, you're picking up on everybody's mood. You feel it, you know it. And as the moon grows and wanes, because it is your ruler, this is what you feel, and it's innate with you. It's a marvelous gift, and sometimes not so much of a gift, because haven't you noticed that you might be driving to a meeting or a party, and the closer you get to your destination, and you Cancerians, you know where I'm going with this. And those of you who have Cancer in your chart, also, I'm talking to you. If your sun, your moon, your ascendant, anything in Cancer, your ears have perked up because you know I'm talking to you. As you get closer to your destination, you start feeling different. Perhaps the joy that you experienced has gone, and you're wondering what just happened. Or maybe you're not wondering what just happened, you're just feeling it. But if you're with somebody, or I should say, and if you're with somebody, they notice the difference, they feel the difference. And by the time you get to your destination, you know that you're feeling quite different than you did when you set out. And it's because you are picking up on the people and the place where you're headed. So, what I'm here to tell you is there's nothing wrong with you. You're fabulous. And today, I have good news for you, because when the sun, the orbiting sun, is in the sign Cancer, which it is from June 21st to July 21st or 22nd, this is plus or minus. This is when you come alive. All of your beautiful Cancerian traits are activated and ignited. The sun is the center of our universe. It does rule our ego, yes, but it's the center of our universe. And when it enters your sign, even though your birthday may be later on in Cancer, you feel it. You come alive. You come into your own. Your intuition increases. Your energy increases. I know that I've watched people and I've experienced it myself. We don't necessarily know what's going on. I know what's going on. If you study astrology, you know what's going on. When the sun enters your birth sign, you feel it. Even if you're born at the end of it, at the end, even 25 days into your sun sign, in this case it would be Cancer, moon child, you feel it. And you've got great energy. Your sensitivity, Cancerians, will increase, because this is what you're known for. Cancerians are nurturers. You're a natural mommy. You may not have kids. You're still a natural nurturer. Your pets are your children. Your friends are your children. And your children, of course, require a lot of your attention at that time. Now, Cancerians, what you love is home and family. I know you got a brother-in-law living on your couch and you're questioning what I just said. But the truth is, your home is very important to you. And this is a true story. I have a dear friend who is a Cancerian moonchild. And if I'm supposed to meet him for dinner, wherever he is, well, let's see, he's at work and I'm at work, he has to go home first and then go to the restaurant. And for a long time I thought, what's going on here? The house is still standing. Does he think it was consumed by fire? No, it's just that home base is so important. Now, you might be a Cancerian who says, no, not for me. That's not really who I am. Well, your family may be very important to you. When you travel, you can make a home anywhere. I have a dear friend who is a Cancerian, and she likes to stay at motels and hotels that have a kitchenette because she likes to have her own snacks, her own food. She putters around in the kitchen on vacation. Me, I'm over at Starbucks in the morning. I'm saying, I'm going to a restaurant, serve me. Cancerian will nurture themselves. Here's how to tell if you have strong moonchild in your chart. When you travel and you have a suitcase filled with your clothes, do you unpack and use the drawers provided, the furniture provided, or do you live out of your suitcase? Cancerians are going to unpack. They're going to fill up the drawers so that they create a home. Here's another question for you. If you're driving someplace on vacation, do you bring your own pillow and or your own blanket? If you do, you may not be born under the sign of Cancer, but you have planets in Cancer. This is what Cancerians do. They bring their home with them. And that means if you have a dog or a cat or a parakeet, that cat, dog, or bird have to be with you. It's just that simple. So you come alive, your confidence soars, you can take it to the bank. It's June 21st through July 21st or 22nd, depending on the year. And this is the time every single year that you come into your own.